Welcome back for another episode of Knitting Science and Craft. Today we're going to learn how to knit elongated knit stitch. So we're going to insert our needle knitwise. We're going to wrap the yarn around 3 times and it should look like this. Now on the next row, when it's time to knit, we're going to insert our needle knitwise. And we're going to unravel the stitch. And it should look like this. It kind of stretches the yarn out. Now we're going to knit another one. We're going to knit it and stretch your yarn out. And it should look just like this. We're going to do another one just so you can kind of get the hang of things. Stretch your yarn out. Thanks for watching Knitting Science and Craft.